Buying a luxury sedan sounds great until you start hearing the horror stories. Expensive parts, complicated electronics, and repair bills that can easily climb into the thousands. That reputation has scared a lot of people away from used luxury cars, and honestly, with some models that fear is completely justified. But what many buyers don't realize is that not every luxury sedan is a financial nightmare. In fact, there are a few that mechanics quietly trust because they're built on proven engines, simpler engineering, and platforms that have already been tested for years on the road. These are the kinds of cars that still deliver the quiet ride, the solid build quality, and the premium feel people expect from a luxury brand, but without the constant trips back to the shop. Reliability studies from sources like Consumer Reports and long-term ownership data consistently show that certain luxury brands, especially Japanese ones, tend to hold up far better over time than many of their European rivals. And when you talk to mechanics, the pattern becomes even clearer. There are specific luxury sedans that technicians see again and again with well over 150,000 or even 200,000 miles, still running strong with basic maintenance. Owners report the same experience too. Cars that feel expensive to drive but don't behave like expensive cars when it comes to repairs. That's exactly what we're focusing on today. In this video, we're looking at 5 luxury sedans from brands like Lexus, Acura, Infiniti, Buick, and Cadillac that mechanics say are surprisingly cheap to own. These are cars known for proven engines, strong reliability reputations, and ownership costs that are far more reasonable than most people expect from a luxury vehicle. If you want the comfort, status, and smooth ride of a luxury sedan without getting destroyed by maintenance bills, these are the models you should know about. Let's get started. If there's one luxury sedan that mechanics almost universally trust, it's the Lexus ES 350. This car has built a reputation over the years for being one of the safest luxury buys in the entire used market, and a big reason for that comes down to what's under the hood. The ES 350 uses Toyota's well-known 3.5-liter V6, an engine that has been proven across millions of vehicles and is widely known for its durability. In many cases, mechanics see these engines running well past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance, which is exactly the kind of reliability buyers hope for when shopping in the used luxury segment. Another reason the ES stands out is that it focuses more on comfort and durability than complicated performance engineering. The ride is smooth, the cabin is quiet, and the interior quality easily competes with much more expensive luxury cars. But unlike many European sedans, the ES avoids overly complex mechanical systems that tend to get expensive as vehicles age. That simplicity is a big reason why repair shops often describe it as one of the lowest-stress luxury cars to own. Owner feedback tells a very similar story. Many ES drivers report years of dependable ownership, relatively predictable maintenance costs, and far fewer surprise repairs compared to other luxury brands. For someone who wants a sedan that feels premium but behaves more like a reliable daily driver, the ES 350 is exactly that type of car. If you're shopping for one, the 2013 through 2018 models are widely considered some of the best used options. They combine the proven V6 engine, updated styling, and Lexus's reputation for build quality, all while still being affordable on the used market today. And that's why this car constantly shows up on lists of luxury sedans that mechanics recommend. It delivers the comfort people expect from a luxury brand, but without the kind of ownership costs that usually come with it. And the next sedan on this list might surprise some people because it comes from a brand known for sporty driving, but it also has a reputation for lasting far longer than many of its competitors. Another luxury sedan that mechanics often trust is the Acura TLX. While Acura doesn't always get the same attention as some European brands in the luxury segment, the TLX has quietly built a reputation for being one of the more dependable, sport-oriented sedans you can buy used. A big part of that comes from Acura's engineering roots, which are closely tied to Honda's long-standing reputation for durability. Under the hood, the TLX came with 2 proven engine options, The 2.4-liter four-cylinder is known for being extremely durable and relatively inexpensive to maintain, while the 3.5-liter V6 delivers stronger performance while still maintaining a solid reliability record. These engines have been used across several Honda and Acura models over the years, which means mechanics are very familiar with them and parts are widely available. That familiarity is important because it usually translates to lower ownership stress. Instead of dealing with highly complex turbocharged systems or expensive specialty parts, the TLX relies on mechanical components that many repair shops already know well. For owners, that often means fewer surprises when it comes to maintenance and repairs. The TLX also manages to combine reliability with a driving experience that feels noticeably more athletic than many traditional luxury sedans. The steering is sharp, the ride is balanced, and the available all-wheel drive system gives it strong all-weather capability. So while it delivers the premium interior and technology buyers expect, it also offers a level of driver engagement that many competitors lack. If you're looking at used models, 2018 through 2020 versions are often considered some of the best choices. These later models received updates to styling, technology, and refinement, while continuing to use the same proven powertrains that helped build the TLX's reliability reputation. For buyers who want a luxury sedan that feels sporty but still keeps ownership costs relatively reasonable, the TLX stands out as one of the smarter options in the segment. And the next car on this list comes from a brand that doesn't always get talked about as much today, but mechanics know its engines extremely well, and that's exactly why it earned a spot here. The third sedan on this list is one that many buyers completely overlook, but mechanics know it very well: the Infiniti Q70. While Infiniti may not get as much attention today as it once did, the Q70 comes from a time when the brand focused heavily on durable, proven engineering rather than complicated technology. One of the biggest reasons the Q70 earns a spot on this list is its engine. Most models came with Nissan's well-known 3.7-liter V6, part of the long-running VQ engine family. This engine has been used across multiple Nissan and Infiniti vehicles for years, and it has developed a reputation for being extremely durable when properly maintained. Many mechanics describe it as a straightforward, well-understood powertrain that doesn't suffer from the same kinds of expensive failures that sometimes show up in more complex luxury engines. Another factor working in the Q70's favor is its relatively traditional design. While many luxury sedans became increasingly complicated over the years with advanced turbo systems and complex electronics, the Q70 stayed closer to a classic formula: naturally aspirated engines, solid transmissions, and a platform that had already been proven over time. That kind of simplicity can make a big difference once a car starts getting older. Despite being underrated today, the Q70 still delivers the kind of luxury experience buyers expect in this segment. The ride is smooth and comfortable, the interior materials feel premium, and the car has the quiet highway manners you'd expect from a large luxury sedan. If you're considering one used, 2015 through 2019 models are generally the safest picks. These later versions benefited from updates to styling and technology while keeping the same reliable engine and mechanical setup that helped build the car's reputation. For buyers who want a comfortable, full-size luxury sedan without stepping into the high maintenance costs that sometimes come with the segment, the Infiniti Q70 is one of those hidden gems mechanics often appreciate. And the next car on this list is another one that surprises people because the brand doesn't always get mentioned in luxury conversations, but when it comes to reliability and ownership costs, it quietly performs far better than many buyers expect. Another luxury sedan that mechanics often describe as a pleasant surprise when it comes to ownership costs is the Buick LaCrosse. Buick doesn't always get the same attention as some other luxury brands, but when you look at long-term dependability studies, the brand frequently ranks higher than many people expect. And the LaCrosse is one of the best examples of why. One of the biggest advantages of this car is the powertrain. Most models come with General Motors' well-known 3.6-liter V6, an engine that has been used across a wide range of GM vehicles for years. Because it's so common, Mechanics are extremely familiar with it and parts are widely available, which helps keep repair costs more manageable compared to some luxury cars that rely on more specialized components. Another reason the LaCrosse stands out is how well it delivers the traditional luxury sedan experience. The ride is soft and composed, the cabin is impressively quiet on the highway, and the interior materials feel far more premium than many buyers expect when they first look at the car. In many ways, it offers the comfort of much more expensive luxury sedans without the same level of mechanical complexity. Owners often mention that the LaCrosse feels like a true highway cruiser, smooth, comfortable, and easy to live with day to day. And because it shares many mechanical components with other GM models, maintaining it is typically much more straightforward than maintaining many imported luxury vehicles. If you're considering one used, 2017 through 2019 models are usually the best choices. This final generation received updated styling, modern technology, and refinement improvements while still keeping the proven V6 powertrain that mechanics know well. For buyers who want a comfortable full-size luxury sedan that doesn't come with intimidating ownership costs, the Buick LaCrosse is one of those overlooked options that can deliver a lot of value. And the final car on this list comes from one of America's most iconic luxury brands, a sedan that offers flagship-level comfort, but in the used market can sometimes cost far less than people expect. The final sedan on this list comes from one of America's most iconic luxury brands, the Cadillac CT6. When it was introduced, this car was designed to compete with some of the most expensive luxury sedans in the world, offering advanced technology, a spacious interior, and the kind of smooth ride people expect from a flagship model. What makes the CT6 interesting for used buyers today is that it often delivers that high-end luxury experience at a much lower price than many competitors. But beyond the value, there's another reason mechanics sometimes recommend certain versions of this car: the powertrain. Models equipped with the 3.6-liter V6 tend to be the safer long-term choice because that engine has been widely used across multiple General Motors vehicles and has developed a fairly solid reliability reputation when properly maintained. Like the Buick we just talked about, the CT6 benefits from sharing mechanical components with other GM models. That familiarity means many repair shops already know how to service these engines, and parts availability is generally much better than with some imported luxury sedans that rely on more specialized components. The CT6 also delivers the kind of presence and comfort that many buyers are looking for in a large luxury sedan. The cabin is spacious, the ride is smooth and quiet on long highway drives, and the overall driving experience feels far more expensive than what many used examples cost today. For buyers considering one on the used market, 2017 through 2020 models with the 3.6-liter V6 are typically the versions mechanics feel most comfortable recommending. And that's the key theme behind every car on this list. These sedans prove that owning a luxury car doesn't always have to mean expensive repairs or constant mechanical headaches. With the right models, cars built on proven engines and solid engineering, you can still enjoy premium comfort, strong reliability, and ownership costs that are far more reasonable than most people expect. If you had to choose one of these luxury sedans, which one would you trust the most for long-term ownership? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoy smart car buying advice like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video.